viewers. You have been through my previous lectures also on my two YouTube channels. One is purely for the engineering purposes uh, to enhance the engineering practices at construction project, and the other lecture is related to the general knowledge from the for the for all the ages. So in this lecture I am uploading, the topic is sports, the quality of sports, the history of sports, and positive and negative effects of the sports on different ages. In this slide I am uploading my introduction. You can go through my introduction. At the same time, I request you to please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel to as many as people you know, as many as people you have in your contact, so that they can also learn the lectures from my YouTube channels, for which I will be thankful to you. Thank you very much. This slide I would like to highlight about my achievements, that is educational contributions to the civil engineers and the architects, junior civil engineers and junior architects. In this slide I would like to highlight that I have been delivering the lectures to the students of different universities at Sultan Qaboos at Muscat, Sultanate of Oman. One of them was university at Muscat, named as Sultan Qaboos University, and the other university name was named as Nisba University. In Sultan Qaboos University, I used to deliver the lectures to the students of College of Engineering, the final year. And at Nisba University, I have delivered the lecture in a seminar where all the professors of that university were attending that seminar, and the students of College of Engineering attended the lecture. So this is my achievement at Muscat, Sultanate of Oman. In addition to that, I have been delivering the lectures to my previous office and employees, the Azal project management companies at Karachi, DHA Karachi Phase 4. Now, I would like to advise the engineers, the junior engineers and the architect to please, when you are working on any construction project, try to achieve the technical and practical knowledge of entire happenings from the start of the project to the end of the project in all sections of the work, related to the quality, related to the timeline, related to each and every aspect of the construction of a building, so that you can hand over the building to the client satisfactorily, in time, and as per the budget of the client, so that your company can prosper. Thank you very much, and I am once again requesting all the viewers to please subscribe, like, and share my channel to as many as engineers, the architects, the contractors, the project management company of different caste, different type. I mean, not only the civil engineering, but mechanical engineering, HVAC engineering, electrical engineering, plumbing engineering, and all that. I'm thankful to you. Thank you very much.